Welcome to Bicom Chats. I'm joined by Yasmin Dolamic, our deployment and training engineer. Yasmin, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, let's set the scene. How has the contact center changed over the last few years, and why is Omnichannel not just a buzzword anymore for the partners we're working with?
So a few years ago, contact centers focused heavily on voice communication for reaching out, for communicating with customers. And that has changed quite a bit in some recent time. I can't say years, it's longer than that. So in today's world, customers expect to be able to reach your business by messaging or by using WhatsApp messaging, by using Facebook messaging, or by web chat. And this has brought a certain change that businesses have to adapt to. Today, the customers expect a fast response over multiple different channels, and this is exactly why Omnichannel is no longer just a buzzword that's going around, but instead it's a real need for businesses to adapt to. So businesses who who integrate Omnichannel in their existing PBXware solution are finding a solution to this real-world practical problem that we are all facing.
Why is Omnichannel important, and what does it actually mean in practice within PBXware? What does a partner's customer gain when they channel feeds into one inbox?
So in practice, Omnichannel means removing separation between different types of communication channels. So inside the PBXware contact center, it means that agent doesn't need to have 5 different browser tabs open and 3 additional different tools open just to communicate with the client properly. Inside PBXware contact center, when integrated with Omnichannel, agent has access to everything he needs for communicating with the customer right in one app, in Bicom or Communicator app, whatever they're using. So for the agent, that makes it a lot easier since they have all the data, all the customer information right on hand. And they can respond to any type of communication that has been, any type of communication channel that has been initiated by the client, whether that being phone call or WhatsApp message or an email. Basically, we have all channels of communication covered. So for customers, that's always beneficial since it enables better service for them. So their issues are addressed in a more timely manner, and for businesses, this sort of centralization also offers the option of better supervising, because it makes it easier, as supervisors don't have to supervise over multiple different apps or tools. They just need to supervise just one tool, one application. And also for generating reports, it makes it easier since they don't have to generate reports on all these different tools and then consolidate them, but instead they can simply generate reports on a single PBXware instance platform and have it all there.
So very convenient for our customers to have everything in one place within one channel.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's the goal.
Meta platforms, WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger are now part of how businesses communicate. Why integrate them into a contact center platform? And what does that integration look like for a partner when he deploys it? The biggest reason for integrating with Meta-supported communication channels is quite simple. It's simply where all the customers are, most of the clients. So people have come accustomed to using these types of communication channels instead of a regular voice call. It's far more convenient, especially in today's time and with all the can I say younger generations, but yes.
We're already past that. Integrating with these popular channels of communication, including social media channels, is really important for businesses. the integration process for our partners or for existing customers and even for new customers is designed to be as straightforward as possible. So it usually starts with connecting their business portfolios or their business accounts with the PBXware platform itself. So that includes the Meta supported Meta business applications. So that's their WhatsApp business and Facebook business profile with PBXware, and after that there's this validation and authentication process that follows the Meta designed guidelines, and this is where we provide additional assistance with our documentation guides and also with our newly formed integration team, which helps our partners with integrating with these platforms. So it's once everything is linked and the customer's business profile is authenticated, they can start receiving messages directly through these communication channels to their contact center instance. And once the WhatsApp channel or Facebook channel is integrated this way, it allows for additional routing rules to be implemented on PBXware platform as well, additional monitoring, and it all becomes this centralized solution, which is exactly the goal that most contact centers are aiming for.
So very important for customers who are using these channels for their communication with their customers. Okay, let's now talk about CRM integration. This is one of the most requested things partners hear from their customers. What's the biggest value of connecting PBXware to a CRM, and how does it change in terms of day-to-day experience for an agent?
So the biggest value for CRM integration is, of course, context. That's always this large item that's needed to address any customer related issues properly. So when an agent that's responding to a ticket or to a chat has context for that chat, it makes his life easier, and also that in turn creates a better customer experience. So usually there is a case where to access the CRM data, the information about customers that CRM provides us, the standard way is to have agent manually dig through the data or use a different account or different tool to access it. But with integrating directly in PBXware, an agent has all the information they need in a single application or in a single window on hand. So as soon as there's an incoming message, an incoming call, agent has all the info they need regardless of the type of channel. So even if a customer contacts your business today by WhatsApp chat and tomorrow by phone call, day after email, you have all that communication already on display, and you have history of that communication as an agent, so you can respond properly to it. So this, of course, reduces the time it takes to address individual tickets, makes businesses more productive, and in the end, of course, it creates better customer satisfaction.
With so many options on the market, what makes PBXware different when it comes to contact center capabilities? What should partners be leading with in that conversation?
So a lot of platforms focus only on enterprise environments or only on smaller environments, and most of them require additional third-party tools to offer a complete solution. Now, PBXware gives our partners ability to deliver everything in a single package, in a single unified ecosystem. So that includes voice calls, full CRM management, omnichannel communication, internal communication, which is really important for any business. So PBXware offers everything in one place, and this is exactly what our partners could lead with. So it's practicality, and on top of that, there's the scalability and modularity of PBXware systems. So the way that PBXware is designed from the get-go is to allow smaller businesses to grow and accompany their growth with any features that they might require. So if we take
omnichannel integration as an example, in case that a business does not, or well, the customer of our partners, they don't require omnichannel integration right away. In case that their business grows in the future into a market that they do require this sort of communication channels to be enabled, they have the option to, and this is also always desirable when onboarding to a platform such as PBXware.
For a partner watching this who is ready to have these conversations with their customers, where do they start? What does a successful first deployment look like?
So the best place to start is by looking at the customer's existing communication infrastructure and their setup, basically, and identify where Bicom Systems products can help to immediately streamline their operations or simplify their process. So in many cases, from our experience, our customers are using in multiple individual tools to address a specific use case for there. So they have one tool for calls, one for messaging, one for CRM management, another one for internal communication. And this is where a successful deployment of PBXware comes in, and we would consider it successful if it integrates everything I mentioned a bit earlier into one solution. It would PBXware functions as this complete communication ecosystem along with Glockcom and Communicator apps. So for our partners, the key message could be that, well, the key message is that they don't need to position PBXware as just a phone system or just a contact center. Instead, it's a complete communication platform that allows them to deliver voice, omnichannel communication, full CRM management and internal communication, all in one integrated solution.
So for a successful deployment, they should call our deployment and training team, definitely.
Yes, of course. We are always there available for them.
Thank you, Yasmin, for contributing to today's Bicom Chats, and I wish you a successful event.
Thank you as well for having me, and yeah, let's go and have a great time at our Partner Summit this year.